Okay, Ray, this is just for you. Okay, see, it's not broken. I don't think it is, but... And I believe that it probably goes on that, into that metal thing on the window, as we discussed. So, my problem is to get this little clip on that metal thing. So I'm waiting for Sebastian to come over, because there you go. As you see, I got the door paneling all off, and I don't have that great of lighting in here. But my other problem is to get this fixed. And I believe the culprit is down in here, even though the noise sounds more in here. So I'm going to get a little messed up today. But this has all been down before. But this is the cable from the lock and down into to this. Well, you can't see it very good. I don't know, I don't have a good angle on it. But the box back there. So I'm doing this video for you, Ray, because I know you'd love to be here. It's just be your cup of tea. Ain't mine really, but I'll deal with it. And Angie and I discussed it, that if I don't get it fixed today, within the next couple hours, that either we'll take it to the Ford dealership, let them do it, and charge me $65 an hour for 5 hours of work, whatever. So, but I always was trying to save myself time doing my own thing. Now here's something that aggravates me though. People that say that they'll be here at 8 o'clock, he has 3 minutes. I don't like people that are late. I really don't. Well, he said he'd be here at 8 o'clock, 2 minutes late, gets deducted.